Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Rippin' Packs. Guys, today we're going to open up this Skeledredge EX10. Not opened up one of these before. This was a flea market pickup. I don't think it tells us what's in here, just 5 packs. My guess is Paldea or base set. Probably just Paldea. We'll see if I can get this out of here. Oh, Obsidian Flames. Nice. So there's a code card for y'all. So we do get 1, 2 Obsidian Flames. Oh, wow. Nice lineup. Scarlet and Violet base. Astral Radiance. Silver Tempest. And a really cool promo card. Really sweet 10, man. Kind of wish I would have got the other one he had too. He didn't have the Mouse Curata. He had the Quagsley or whatever it's called, man. Not a big fan of that duck. Well, let's start with the Astral Radiance. So not as much to open in these. Only 5 packs. We're going to try to make the most of it anyway. It looks like we got something poking out here. Maybe we'll get lucky and see that Lugia. Nope. We have, oh, double banger. Nice. We have pulled this before. The Shadow Rider Calyrex VMAX. And we have not pulled that Rainbow Machamp VMAX before. Really nice. Some nice pickups from our first pack of Astral Radiance, baby. Looks like we are back on it. Like we didn't pull hardly anything out of our last video. Don't quote me though, I do not recall. Alright, Silver Tempest time. Alright, can we get another banging pack from our 10? Oh, skipped one there. Nada. Alright, Scarlet and Violet base. I don't think there's a pack trick starting with Scarlet and Violet. It's just the energy card on the back. Hope I'm remembering that correctly. Nice Drowsy for Homie right there on the top. Let's see if we can pull something nice. Slowpoke. Galarian Gallery. Anything behind it? Just a Revavroom. A really nice Slowpoke. Really cool card. A little closer look if you haven't seen it. So this has been a pretty good 10 so far. We actually got some hits. Love that Rainbow Machamp. Have not seen that one yet or before, so nice to pull something we haven't seen. Haven't seen that Slowpoke either. So really good couple of packs from our 10. Let's see if Obsidian Flames wants to deliver us anything today. Cool Lapras card, man. Nice. Pulled that Gloom. We have pulled that before. We got nothing behind it. Another nice card to add to the collection. And our last pack, baby. The Dragonite artwork. Let's see if we can get either something we haven't pulled yet or another one of those Charizards would be nice, man. We haven't pulled the Gold Zard. I don't think. Did we pull the Gold Zard? Don't think so. We definitely don't see gold in this one. The Ice Cube EX. Nice. So we do get a special illustrator, but not the high valued one we were looking for. But that's alright. It's better than nothing. And there we go, man. That was a pretty good 10. We got 5 packs. We got 5 hits. If y'all want to see them again real quick, we got the Ice Cube, the Gloom, the Slowpoke, the Machamp Rainbow VMAX, and the Shallow Rider Calyrex VMAX. And I want to call it a gold card, but it is not. It is just a trainer gallery card. But nonetheless, great hits, y'all. And as always, we will catch you on the next one.